1. The City Hybrid Commuter Bike. The City Bike, or Commuter Hybrid, is designed purely for utility and comfort on paved streets. It combines the rugged frame of a mountain bike with the smooth, thin tires of a road bike. The most defining features are its completely upright riding position, allowing you to see traffic easily, and the addition of practical accessories like front baskets, rear cargo racks, and fenders to keep your clothes dry on rainy days. It's the ultimate choice for daily shopping trips or riding to work. 2. The Speed Athlete Road Bike. If you want to go as fast as possible on the open asphalt, you need a road bike. To minimize heavy wind resistance, the handlebars feature classic downward curves, forcing the rider into a low, aerodynamic crouch that requires significant flexibility. The entire frame is engineered to be feather-light, often made of expensive carbon fiber, and uses razor-thin tires inflated to extreme pressures, sacrificing all comfort in exchange for pure, mathematical speed over hundreds of miles. 3. The Adventure Seeker Mountain Bike MTB. The mountain bike, or MTB, is built strictly for rugged, unpaved off-road terrain. To absorb violent impacts from rocks and tree roots, these bikes feature heavy mechanical suspension systems using coil springs or air pressure in the front forks and often the rear frame. They utilize incredibly thick, wide tires with massive knobby rubber patterns designed to bite into soft mud and loose dirt. The low gears allow the rider to pedal slowly up incredibly steep, mountainous trails. 4. The purest trendsetter fixed gear Fixie. The fixed gear bike, affectionately called the Fixie, is the definition of minimalist simplicity. This machine uses absolutely zero gears, shifting mechanisms, or cables, which results in an incredibly lightweight and reliable ride. The defining mechanical rule is that the pedals are directly and permanently fused to the rear wheel. If the wheel moves, your legs must move, meaning you can never simply coast or rest your legs. This creates a deeply connected, mechanical rhythm that is beloved by urban hipsters and bicycle messengers. 5. The Travel Solution Folding Bike. The folding bike was invented to solve the last-mile problem of urban transportation. While they look slightly ridiculous with their tiny wheels and overly long seat posts, they rely on a complex series of heavy, secure metal hinges embedded in the center of the main frame and the handlebars. In less than 30 seconds, the entire mechanical structure can be collapsed down into a tiny, portable bundle, allowing a commuter to carry their primary vehicle directly onto a crowded train or bus during rush hour. 6. The Future of Commuting Electric Bike, e-bike. The electric bike, or e-bike, is the most rapidly evolving and controversial category in urban transit. It is legally classified as a bicycle but relies on a massive lithium-ion battery pack and a high-torque electric motor. Using sophisticated internal sensors, the computer calculates exactly how hard the rider is pedaling and automatically injects electric power to multiply their effort. This pedal assist allows riders to climb massive hills effortlessly, commute high speeds without sweating, and completely transform how cities organize public transportation.